Watching a bee swarm here. I don't know what this is all about. Thousands of bees. Kind of scary. Put them all on that pole over there. Flying at me here. Kind of scared me. It's just swarming on that thing. I don't know why. That's a scary sight. But I guess they do that because the queen is kind of fat and she can't fly very far. And so they'll move a little bit and then they'll rest for a while. And once the queen can move again, they'll fly somewhere else. So they shouldn't stay here for too long. Until they find a suitable hole in a tree somewhere. Pretty neat how that happens.